welcome back, guys, to this new session. Today, let's go back to our guide. All right, so we've already completed loading the data from Databricks into Redshift. Now we want to be able to access Power BI and try to load more data, okay? And then we'll be able to access that in Power BI, okay? So we're gonna quickly do that. Now let's go back and make sure we can still access the data. So let's run the query again, make sure we can still see the data here, so we can see the data. Now what we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna launch our Power BI desktop. Let's run that. Let me bring it here. Okay, let's try put it here so we can all follow together. All right, so this is a new one. All right, so we can see no data, right? No data. So we just want to add that data we just created, right? So let's quickly do that. Let's click on get data, more. All right, and then let's go to Redshift. So let's go to Redshift. And then we're gonna copy our connection string, okay? We're gonna come here and this is it. We're gonna copy it, and let's quickly do that really fast. We copy that. It's asking now for the name of the database. We know this is not the name of our database, so we're just gonna, and then we know it's New York City underscore taxi. Let's just make sure so that we won't get some error, right? So we can see our database New York City underscore taxi, which is great. So we can select OK. All right, so let's see. Oh, okay, so in your case it will ask for your username and password. Feel free to put the username and password. What we can actually do, let's do that together. I'll show you some trick here. So let's click on this. Let's click on options. Okay, let's click on options. And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna clear all this permission. So we're gonna clear this, delete. Then we're gonna clear permission. Okay, so now it should prompt us to put in our username and password. I just want you guys to see the entire process. That's why I have to do all of that. You can do as well if you're having some connection issue. You can go back to that option and clear your connection. Okay, all right, so let's quickly do that. So Redshift. All right, so click on Redshift, connect, and then let's copy our link again. Let's copy our connection string. Okay, so we're gonna copy that again and drop it here, and then we're gonna remove all of the database there, and then we're gonna put the name of our database. And you click OK, and this time around, yeah, it should ask you for the permission, right? So so you put in your username. In our case, we use DSP admin. All right, and then the password, you should know your password. All right, so I'm gonna just copy my password, and then I'll just paste it. And awesome, so now you have access to all the data. Then you can select, and that's it. All right. All right, beautiful. So now we can access the data. We can see what it looks like. You can see all our data. Beautiful. Now we can start making some intelligence out of it. So now that we have this data, the next we're gonna focus on is if we want to ingest, we're going to ingest 2 more months, say September and August, right? If we want to do that, just to get more data before we start our analysis here, what do we do, right? How do we go from here? Okay, that's going to be in our next recording. Okay, next video. Please watch out for the next session and don't miss out on any of this episode. Okay, all right, thank you for watching this one, and I will see you in the next video.